Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock the voice chat in Roblox in 2026 step by step so that you can use your mic in the supported games. So this works on mobile and PC. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, here is one important thing that I want you to basically understand. So Roblox voice chat only unlocks if your account meets two main requirements. Your age verification should be done and the voice chat option is enabled in the settings. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for roblox.com. Now when you are here on Roblox, you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. After doing this, simply click on the gear icon, then click on the option of settings. In your settings, by default, you will be on the account info section, and this is I want you to be. So here on this page, if you scroll down a bit, you are going to see the option of verify my age. So here you need to click on the option of continue with selfie, or you can also continue with ID. So here after selecting any of these options, you need to upload any of the government issued ID over here that basically represents your date of birth, so that Roblox could determine whether you are above the age of 13 or not. So here after uploading it, you will have to verify it with the help of your selfie as well. So after doing this, you just have to wait for 24 hours until you see the voice chat option enabled over here. After doing this verification, you are going to see a voice chat option. That too is going to give you a bunch of different options like for everyone, for none, or for followers, etc. So you need to simply enable that microphone option or that voice chat option by clicking on the on option right next to it. So if Roblox asks for the microphone permission, you need to allow that as well. So once this thing is done, whenever you enter into the game, and if that particular game allows the voice chat option, you will be able to get it inside and you will be able to easily unlock the voice chat feature in Roblox in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.